We all love to drink hot tea. But with the rush of daily life, we don't give much thought to choosing teas, which can always be given a healthy twist. Winters are here, and for stay healthy, we have to be careful. And so are the chances of you to catch diseases like common cold. The problems of running nose, cough, sore throat, allergies and more are very common during this season. This usually happens due to the weaker immune system. And during such tough times of the global outbreak of coronavirus, it gets even more important to make your defense system stronger. As the virus is super contagious and majorly depends on your immunity. But no worry, as you can prevent yourself from it by just replacing your regular tea with a healthier variant on regular basis. You can stay healthy in winters too. We have curated a list of 3 types of teas which can help you become stronger. And we will start with the best, which is Ashwagandha tea. Let's know the benefits. Ashwagandha tea is known to be a great immunity and stress buster. It offers you plenty of nutrients that will help you feel better and make your body strong enough to fight the allergies caused due to seasonal changes. See the ingredients to prepare Ashwagandha tea. You do not need to collect many things to make Ashwagandha tea. You can make it with 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon Ashwagandha roots, half lemon, honey as per taste. And it is very easy to prepare too. Number 1. Boil water in a saucepan. Number 2. Add the Ashwagandha roots to it. Close the lid and switch off the flame. Number 3. Let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4. Strain in it a cup and add lemon juice and honey to it. Next is lemon mint tea. Let's find the benefits of lemon mint tea. Lemon and mint tea is a naturally caffeine-free tea. This is an excellent herb tea that detoxifies, rejuvenates and soothes your body. Mint teas come with good amounts of potassium, calcium and vitamin B, which are all useful components to fight against colds and cough. While lemons are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids that work against infections like the flu and colds. Find the list of ingredients to make this healthy lemon mint tea. First, you just need to have 2 cups of mint leaves, ginger 1 inch, lemon juice 5 tablespoons, pink salt ½ teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, and in last, water 3 cups. Now, time to know the method of making lemon mint tea. In step 1, in a mixer jar, add mint leaves, ginger, lemon juice, pink salt, cumin seeds and 3 cups of water. Next is, grind the above ingredients to extract the juice. Step 3. Boil this mixture in pan with water for 5 minutes. And then a refreshing drink is ready to be served. Last in our list is turmeric tea. The spice has been used for its medicinal, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties for thousands of years. Fight off the viruses with this immune-boosting turmeric tea. Freshly brewed cup of turmeric tea will help you stay healthy during cold winter months. Let's find the list of ingredients to make this healthy turmeric tea. Start with turmeric powder, ½ tablespoon. Lemon juice, according to taste. Honey, according to taste. Black pepper, ½ tablespoon. And in last, have 3 cups of water. Way of preparation of turmeric tea. Start with having boil 1 cup of water on the gas. Next is, Add a half teaspoon of turmeric and stir. Step 3. Simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Strain the tea into another container. Step 5. Add in honey, fresh squeezed lemon or orange juice, and pinch of black pepper. And your fresh and healthy turmeric tea is ready to drink. Just by adding these teas, you can contain beneficial properties that can help you to strengthen your immune system and ward off illness. If you found it helpful, then like and share this video with your friends. And subscribe our YouTube channel.